How to stop seeing someone TikTok videos on your feed without blocking. So the steps are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, as you can see now, let's say I want to stop seeing this person videos on my TikTok feed, so without blocking them. All you have to do now, tap on this profile, his profile. After you open up his profile, as you can see now, here's are his videos. So all you have to do now, the first step to do that, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. So if you come to this session, the only option that TikTok give you is to block them. So now we don't want to block them, and we want to stop seeing their videos on our feed. So all you have to do now, close the profile. After you close their profile, as you can see now, here is the video, here is his video, one of his videos. So tap on this share button, this share icon, tap on it. After you tap on this share icon, now tap on this not interested section, this one. So now by typing on this not interested, now you are giving an information to TikTok that you don't want to see any video from that person on the TikTok app. So if you do that like for 2 to 3 times, now you give an information that TikTok will stop sending videos for that person on your TikTok feed. So now go ahead and tap on this arrow again and tap on this not interested. So now you can never see his video on your TikTok feed again. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.